Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So the winters are here and our today's topic is related to the same. How to say it's freezing, it's cold outside in different ways. So let's start with our very first expression which is very common, that is il fait froid. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. De ça caille. Ça caille. Or you can say je me caille. Je me caille. It's actually an informal way of saying that it's freezing cold, and it's more likely to have evolved from the verb cailler, which means to coagulate or change from liquid to solid as water does when it freezes. Originally, it's been a part of a longer idiomatic expression, se cailler les miches. Se cailler les miches, which literally means to freeze one's butt off. Therefore, you can say je me caille les miches. But the long version is less used nowadays, so je me caille or ça caille are used on a daily basis at this point of the year. Just remember, it is not formal French, but there is nothing rude in it either. Similarly, we can say on se gèle les miches. On se gèle les miches. On se gèle les miches. Se geler, to freeze. Let's move on to the next expression. C'est la Sibérie ici. C'est la Sibérie ici. So the climate of Siberia varies dramatically, but it typically has short summers, but the winters are the coldest. Even some of the villages of Siberia are considered the coldest place in the world outside Antarctica, with almost minus 50-degree temperature. And this is where the expression arrives. C'est la Sibérie ici. C'est la Sibérie ici. Next. Je vais me transformer en glaçon. Je vais me transformer en glaçon. Je vais me transformer en glaçon. So transformer, to transform, turn into. En glaçon, ice cube, which literally means I will turn into an ice cube. We can also say je suis gelé ou je suis glacé. Je suis glacé. Il fait un froid de canard. Il fait un froid de canard. It's freezing cold. Although it literally means it's a duck-like cold. So when it's really cold, it's a duck cold according to the French idiom. Why? Because the best duck hunting days are in the winters, when the hunters have to keep still for long periods in freezing cold weather in order to allow their prey to get close enough to be shot. Thus, that bitter cold that seeps into the bones is known as un froid de canard. Next phrase. Samuel. Samuel. Il meule grave ce soir. Il meule grave ce soir. When we translate meule, it means grindstone, but here it means it's very cold. Our next expression is je suis frigorifié. Je suis frigorifié. Par exemple, je suis frigorifié, allume le feu. I'm freezing, get the fire going. Ce n'est pas la grande chaleur. Ce n'est pas la grande chaleur. It's not the great heat. Other way around, it means it's cold. So these were the expressions with a little bit explanation that we use to say it's freezing cold. Let's see them again. Ça caille. Ça caille. Je me caille. Je me caille. Je me caille les miches. Je me caille les miches. On se gèle les miches. On se gèle les miches. C'est la Sibérie ici. C'est la Sibérie ici. Je vais me transformer en glaçon. Je vais me transformer en glaçon. Je suis gelé. Je suis gelé. Je suis glacé. Je suis glacé. Il fait un froid de canard. Il fait un froid de canard. Ça meule. Ça meule. Il meule grave ce soir. Il meule grave ce soir. Je suis frigorifié. Je suis frigorifié. Ce n'est pas la grande chaleur. Ce n'est pas la grande chaleur. To check the conjugations of these verbs that we use in these expressions, just click the link given in the description box. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Over. Bye.